Which is a better investment, a coach-built motorhome or a panel van-based camper van? The coach-built motorhome is the big, white, straight-sided thing. They're generally at least 5.5, 6 meters long. They can be much, much longer than that. And they're packed with facilities. You've often got a separate washroom, several berths, lots of cooking facilities. And they look really impressive. Panel van conversion, like what I'm sitting in, often has an elevating roof, so you can still stand and have a bed in the roof. You've got a range of furniture and cooking, and often a fold-down bed of some sort, a rock and roll bed, or a different type of folding bed arrangement. Surely the bigger thing's better. Well, the coach-built motorhome is built from the inside out. So they put the parts on a chassis cab floor, and then they start to put up the sides, whereas a panel van conversion comes out of the factory already complete as a van, and it's cut and elevating roof fitted, it's lined and insulated, and everything's fitted from the inside out, which of course is much more involved. It's much more refined process that takes a lot longer. Which is the better choice? Well, in terms of depreciation, the coach-built product does depreciate, we find, quite a bit more, so that would be a win for the panel van conversion. In terms of facilities, of course, there's lots inside a coach-built, and if you're going to go off and live in it in Spain for 6 months, maybe you need that kind of space. Manoeuvrability-wise, the panel van really scores, because you can drive it pretty much anywhere, you can get under lots of car park barriers, and you can squeeze into an ordinary car parking space. We've owned several coach-built motorhomes ourselves, and what we've found is they sit on the drive, you really enjoy them for 2-3 weeks of the year, and you end up declaring off-road and not paying any tax because you're just not using it. Whereas with a camper van, what we've found is people drive them a lot. They're out in it certainly every week, maybe they're driving it every day, and it's not just the weeks away or the weekends away, it's afternoons away you weren't expecting. It's your own cup of tea at a National Trust place. It's relaxing beside the beach with your pint of beer and your newspaper in your own lounge. A panel van conversion really scores over a coach-built motorhome. I guess it's a case of what's right for you. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.